I'm Eric West, Director of Business Operations for Broadband. I've been employed there over 26 years, and I handle the customer service and marketing and new product launch. Since Duo was a telephone cooperative established in 1954, throughout the years, you've had to evolve the facilities. So we've moved from copper to fiber optics, and with that fiber optics, along with many other services, as the technology and service offerings to serve the community has changed, so has Duo County Telephone Cooperative, which is now Duo Broadband. We currently use Crowd Fiber in their solutions call centers, and they've been a great asset for our operation. The Crowd Fiber we launched several years ago, and with us being a fiber optic plant, it's important for the customers to be able to plug in their address and simply see if we can serve them or not. The other solution that we use, and we recently kicked this off, is with their call centers. When we launched that, we had the vision to have a redundancy, because we currently had a call center, that if we're going to transition off of one to just a single call center, it would be NRTC. NRTC is a great partnership, cooperative as well. So they've got the same mindset of making sure that they're taking care of their clients and as customers as well. We like that because we're a cooperative. We know how important it is. But NRTC has always been responsive and ready to take care of our needs. It's Billy Joel, Piano Man.